when you say my first encounter, I'm leaving out my first encounter with Satyajit Ray's films, which was really phenomenal for me. I mean, it completely changed my view of film acting, I should say. Because prior to seeing Pather Panchali, I always thought that Bengali film acting was not of much substance or of value. But when we saw Pather Panchali, it completely revolutionized our ideas. So later on, when he was trying to make, he has made up his mind to make the second part of the trilogy, that is the Aparajito. He was then looking for someone to play the role of the adolescent Opu. So there was a friend of ours who was again a friend to Satyajit Ray's assistant, Nityananda Dattu. Nityananda Dattu is the person who made this Baksho Badul and Hotat Dekha, Shish Prohor. So Nityananda Dattu took me to Satyajit Ray.